It's time for Spotlight on Geno, presented by Connecticut Lighting Centers.
Sitcom family you'd like to be a part of?
Well, it's not on anymore, but All in the Family was hilarious. Maybe Tim Allen's family in when he was.
I just remember the
Tim
neighbor in the
Time.
fence.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah. When will the Knicks make the playoffs again?
Well, it depends on who they sign as free agents. But I've always loved the Knicks. And I think Fizz is the right coach. I think he's going to do a great job.
Where will Kevin Durant end up?
Well, if he goes to New York, they're going to make the playoffs. I kind of hope it's New York or Boston. It's an easy drive for me to go watch him play.
Where would you like to see Bryce Harper end up?
Philadelphia. Then we can put him next to Mike Trout when we get him, and then we're good to go.
Spotlight on Geno is brought to you by Connecticut Lighting Centers. Shop New England's largest display and inventory with 2 amazing showrooms in Hartford and Southington.